guys, my name is Ethan X1. Take 5. Take 5. Okay, so Happy New Year's Eve. It is now 9:15 at night, and I first attempted this at 5 to 9 at night. On New Year's Eve. At least it's not New Year yet, so I've still got time. Well, New Year's tomorrow. Well, in less than 3 hours.
Well, it's New Year Eve today.
Yeah, and in less than 3 hours it's New Year's Day. So, yeah. So, and I also hope you all had an amazing Christmas. I did. I'm in the kitchen doing this as well. Family's in that room. So, see this?
But not me.
Yeah, you're here. This is what we call the Bird Eye Chilli. Now, this is to celebrate New Year and to apologise for not doing weekly videos. And to apologise for not doing a Christmas video or Halloween video. I suck at this. What? What? Yeah, I know I suck, Paige. I'll leave Paige's channel in the description below. I was going to do a Carolina Reaper pepper or a ghost pepper, but I wasn't allowed. Sorry everyone who I said I would do it to, like Jackson, Callum, Mason. Whoops. I'll leave their channels in the description below. Same as little Paigey Wagey's channel, who is now taking the coat off the box. So yeah, I have this here, and I also have my lucky J2O glass full of milk. Not sponsored. Just a minute.
You need to help.
Yeah. So yeah, here it is. It's like rated 3 out of 5. So, Paige, please don't touch that. I need that.
1, 2, J2O.
Yeah, that says J2O. You can read. What does this say?
Baby right.
No. Yeah, she can't read. She can read J2O. I mean, she did have one a few minutes ago. I would have. Whatever. I have tried this before. It's really hot. It's the first chili I ever tried, and I've not tried one since. There's no J2Os left, Paige. Just Capri Suns. And a lot of them. Oh, there's also Red Bull and Carling. Why do you want to open it? Why don't you have a black currant one?
No.
There's... Okay.
Ow.
Sisters. Don't touch my laptop.
Ah! It's in the car. And now it's then 1, then 2.
There you go. Okay, so yeah, it's now 9:15 still. Wait. Oh, it must have been before 9:15. Whoops. Yeah, hold this. It won't hurt you unless you eat it. I was going to eat one of the really small ones, which I will show you in a second. But as they say, go big or go home. New Year's Eve. Who cares? Oh well, wash the mud off the floor. No, Joshua?
Hey!
Don't mess about, okay?
Oh, mud!
Give me the thing. Give me the... No. It's mine. Okay, it's having Sprite. You don't even like Sprite.
Cut off.
Right, let's try it. I'm scared. Oh yeah, I need to show you the little ones first. Getting distracted. There they are. Got a couple of them. They're really small and cute. I mean, look at these compared. Can you see them? Hope you can. Anyway, I'm going to eat one and see how it goes. I wanted this to be like 3 minutes long. It's almost 5 minutes now. Hiya.
Right, so well done it, yeah.
Sorry? Oh no. keep getting scared. Right, Painter, can you shut the door quick? 3, 2. What am I doing with my life? I'm gonna take a massive bite out, by the way.
No!
1. I need to do it quickly. That's the problem. I'm sorry, I'm a wimp, okay? British Heart Foundation. Not sponsored. Ooh. Shouldn't see that finger.
Ethan,
Yeah?
is that jumping for me? Yeah. Auntie.
If I'm distracted, I'm happy. Yeah, massive British Heart Foundation on there.
And I even made
And that's Paige's first self-portrait. Sorry about not weekly videos, by the way. This is in honour of that New Year's Eve
and I made
and
a dick for
Christmas.
Josh. And he
I
really
suck
liked
at this doll.
Taz. It's mellow.
Right, find out
Put
what-
him after that. Then what? Fun.
Oh. You shut the door.
Right, shut the door, Paige. 3, 2.
No!
Oh, great! I was about to do it.
Yeah!
Go, Ethan. Ethan. It makes me feel better.
Ethan.
Clap as well. Ethan. Aw, my teeth didn't bite through it. That sucks.
This
Oh, it's a
side.
bit warm. It's getting in my...
Ethan.
Sorry.
Ethan, where's it? Does it feel so today?
Oh, it ain't cold, Paige.
What? What's the ball about? What?
Oh, it hurts to breathe.
Ah! Why didn't know my picture? For Daddy. For Granny. This is Granny.
Paige, open the fridge.
Why?
Just do it. Close it.
There's two. Ethan, do you have the open the door? Ethan, do you have the open the door, please? And that one.
Mm. Bugger. Pour another glass. Pour another glass. It hurts to breathe. It hurts to breathe. you everyone. Have a good one. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Links down below. See you later.